How to lock your Photos application on your iPhone with a password. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Shortcut application. After that, tap on this plus icon. And now in the search bar, you can simply search for ask for the input. Tap onto it. Now tap on text and then change it to number. After that, tap on prompt. And here you want to go ahead and simply type in enter the password to open the app. After that, tap on the tick mark. In the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for F, tap onto it, and now inside number, you can go ahead and simply type in your passcode. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar one more time, type in open app, tap onto it, tap on app, then select Photos application. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply drag open app block inside the if condition. After that, in the search bar, you can simply search for show alert, tap onto it. Now tap on this text and then change it to incorrect password. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply drag this block into otherwise section. Now correct password opens the Photos application and wrong password will show this error. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the share icon at the very bottom. Select add to home screen. Tap on icon and choose a photo. And then rename it to Photos. After that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on add button. And now you want to go ahead and simply tap on Photos icon. It will ask for your password. When you type it in correctly, it will open it up. If you type it in wrongly, it will say incorrect password. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.